Good morning, everybody. All right, I just got back to the van. Today I'm going to probably be installing the beams on the ceiling. So basically all the framing. So I'm going to frame the walls and the ceiling. If I get that done, I'll figure out what else I can do today. But let's get the first part going.
Ladies and gentlemen, darling.
Okay, so I have this piece. I'm gonna see how it fits. Get the spider out of here. Alright, so yeah, I have this piece. I'm gonna see how it fits right here. See if I need to trim it and how I'm gonna secure it in. So I'm gonna place it up. So I was thinking something like this.
think that sums up today. There's a UFC fight,
Yeah.
that Mansai wants to go watch. So we're gonna call it a day. We got almost all the Reflectix, just that little piece. I need to go get some more glue, so just have to do that little piece of Reflectix, and then the walls are done as far as insulation and Reflectix, and then we finished framing the ceiling except for one in the middle that we need to figure out what piece we're gonna put there. And then we just have to insulate and do the Reflectix on the ceiling. So I think we'll do that tomorrow, and the framing on the walls.
Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna do the walls.
And then we'll start building. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you want to follow along. Bye.
Well, you guys have to subscribe. Most of you guys aren't subscribed. So, boop.